Hi guys, today we're unboxing the FiiO FH3 hybrid in-ear monitors. So let's start by unwrapping the FiiO FH3. Now that we have removed the wrapper from the box, we can see that at a first glance the box is similar to the FiiO FH1S and FD1 that was released earlier. Opening the box, you'll find that there is a manual, and putting the manual aside, you would see the IEMs, and you would find a very familiar cable. It's correct because this cable was the same cable that was used on the FH5. So if you own the FH5, you're actually getting the same cable on the FH3. Before I proceed further, allow me to provide you guys with some insights to the FiiO FH3. The FiiO FH3 is touted as a successor by FiiO for its F9 series that was introduced 3 years ago. And why is the F9 known as a series? It's because after releasing the FiiO F9, the company actually released a variant called the F9 Pro, which features Knowles BA, and that was together with the FH1 the start of FiiO's working relationship with Knowles. Similar to the two variants of the F9 series, the F9 and the F9 Pro, the FH3 features a 3-driver design comprising of a single DD and 2 BAs. And continuing the relationship with Knowles, the FH3 continued to feature 2 BAs from Knowles, and at the same time introduce a new DD, a new dynamic driver into the configuration. And for those of you who are familiar with FiiO's products, you will know that earlier this year FiiO have actually introduced the FD1, which is the company's first Beryllium-Plated dynamic driver offering. Okay, let's carry on with the unboxing. Let's first take out the IEM from the sponge that's at the top of the box. Let's spend some time talking about the LC 3.5B. The LC 3.5B, as mentioned earlier, is the same cables that previously featured on the FiiO FH5, meaning to say that it is a silver-plated monocrystalline copper cable. It's a 4-wire design, with each wire comprising of 96 strands of conductor. LC 3.5B means that the connector is 3.5. If you are using a balance connection on the DAP, you can opt for the LC 2.5B or the LC 4.4B as an upgrade cable. If you like the sound of this cable, let's take a look at what else is in the box. In the accessories box, you would find a hard case. Okay, this is very similar to what was given to many of FiiO's IEMs, and this is the transparent one. For those of you who are very familiar, FiiO do give out the smoke one on certain models, so there's actually 2 variants of the hard case. Inside the soft case, you will find the ear tips of different colors and sizes, and a very good soft case should you want to bring the earphones out on a light basis where you don't think that you will be crushing the earphones. Okay, so now let's take a look at the exterior design of the FH3. Like its other family members, the FH5 and the FH7, the FH3 utilizes CNC precision machining to create the housing of the IEM. The material used similarly is the aircraft grade aluminum magnesium alloy. So the only family member that does not use the same material and approach is the FH1S. To end the unboxing, let's take a look at the product specification of the FiiO FH3. We have come to the end of the unboxing. We hope that it has been informative and enjoyable to you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so and set notification on so that you'll be informed whenever we post new videos. Till the next video, this is Beng Yao signing off. Thank you.